Hey Google, turn on Zane's room. And here's what it looks like with the lights on. So we got this whole roof done. This is just a curtain stretched over and attached with staples. And we got 2 of these. This is a twin mattress. It fits me. And then we put some pillows up here. Mattress 6 feet 3 inches long. And then slide or stairs coming down. There's a cubby in here. There's some more storage underneath there. And underneath here is where you can put your second twin mattress, or you have a toy area. And we're still going to add lights underneath as well on motion sensor because it's a little dark. Bless you. So this is how to build a fort for your houseman. Absolutely amazing little bed. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Say subscribe.